Welcome to JapaneseFromJapan.com. Today we'll continue learning essential Japanese culture words for beginners. Word number 1. Fuji-san. Mount Fuji. Fuji-san. Fuji-san wa Nihon no shimboru desu. Mount Fuji is a symbol of Japan. Fuji-san wa Nihon no shimboru desu. Word number 2. Manga. 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 Manga ha Nihon de ninki desu. Manga is popular in Japan. Manga ha Nihon de ninki desu. Word number 3. Sushi. 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 Sushi wa oishii desu. Sushi is delicious. Sushi wa oishii desu. Word number 4. Nihonshu. Sake. Nihonshu. Nihonshu wa dentō teki na nomimono desu. Sake is a traditional drink. Nihonshu wa dentō teki na nomimono desu. Word number 5. Ikebana. 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 Ikebana wa kabin no geijutsu desu. Ikebana is the art of flower arrangement. Ikebana wa kabin no geijutsu desu. These basic words are essential for beginners learning Japanese culture. Visit JapaneseFromJapan.com for more lessons and practice exercises.